Welcome to the Law Repo. It has been a minute, quite some time since I posted a video on this channel, some 5 months. Today is the 1st of January 2025, and I decided to start out the new year by posting a video to this channel. In this video, I'm going to speak briefly about the amendments to the Turks and Caicos Islands Constitution. There's been some talk about these amendments, but discussions have only been focused on increase to the parliamentarians and the capacity to appoint more ministers and more government ministers. But there are other important amendments that need to be highlighted. So I'll be back to briefly speak about them.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney and to have an attorney present during any questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be provided for.
Welcome back. So the order makes several amendments to the Turks and Caicos Islands Constitution. In particular, it changes the name of the House of Assembly to that of Parliament. And with effect from the next general election, the maximum parliamentary term increased from 4 years to 5 years. So elections will now be held in the Turks and Caicos Islands every 5 years. The amendment also abolished appointed members. So under the existing constitution, without the amendments, each party and the governor had the ability to appoint members to the House of Assembly, as it was then, Parliament as it would be with these amendments. That now has been abolished, and the House will no longer consist of any appointed members. The order also clarifies that the Turks and Caicos Islands Cabinet has autonomous capacity with respect to domestic affairs and sets out matters relating to external affairs that the governor must delegate. It makes provision for the governor to appoint a greater number of ministers than the 6 normally permitted, in addition to the premier, with the total cap being higher than that brought in by the Turks and Caicos Islands Constitution Amendment Order 2021. So the current setup was that in addition to the premier, there can only be 6 ministers. Now this amendment gives the government the ability to appoint more ministers, which has to be approved by the governor. The order also established several new bodies. For example, a cabinet office and the cabinet secretary, a police and defense service commission, an international center for alternative dispute resolution, and it provides that a constitutional commission may be established. It also makes constitutional provisions for some entities and items already in existence. Example, the National Security Council, the TCI Regiment, and the National Crest. It removes the regulation of international financial services from the responsibility of the governor and establishes an independent body for the regulation of financial services. It provides a power for a referendum to be held on matters of national importance. For example, independence. It makes amendments to the composition of the Electoral District Boundary Commission and to its function. The order also revokes the Turks and Caicos Islands Electoral District Boundary Commission Order of 2011. So in a synopsis, those are the amendments to the Turks and Caicos Islands Constitution. I hope this information was relevant and informative. If it was, please like, share, comment down below in the comment section, and I will see you shortly in my next video, and I promise that I will post more often in 2025. Cheers.